Gas lift provides artificial lifting energy for our well by the injection of gas into or beneath the fluid column. The gas decreases the fluid density of the column and lowers the bottom hole pressure, allowing the formation pressure to move more fluid into the well bore. Injected gas bubbles also expand as they rise in the tubing above their injection point, pushing oil ahead of them up the tubing. Gas lift may be either continuous or intermittent flow. Continuous flow gas lift relies on the constant injection of gas lift gas into the production stream through a downhole valve. Intermittent or intermitting gas lift allows for the buildup of a liquid column of produced fluids at the bottom of the well bore. At the appropriate time, a finite volume of gas is injected below the liquid and propels it as a slug to the surface. Let's go to the Gulf Coast and see an example of a gas lift installation.
We have a source of high pressure gas that comes from the compressor station, comes in the line right there. You have a valve, actuated valve with a controller on it. This one happens to be a pressure actuated controller. It allows how often the gas will come in. It just operates the valve, open or close. You have a low and a high pressure setting. When it reaches the low pressure setting, it needs to get more gas. You'll sense the gas, it'll open the valve. You'll get a gas, you'll get an increase in casing pressure until you reach your high level. The high level will shut it off, the valve will close. You've injected gas in the annulus, and you'll see a rise in the tubing pressure as you start to produce fluid out the flow line in the back. And this is what we call a DAP unit, the pressure actuated, and then there's a timing unit. You just set off for 20 minutes, on for 30 seconds or something like that. And it actuates just on time. We're keep track of tubing and casing pressure that, pretty regular. And then we also we monitor how much gas it makes, how much water it makes, how much oil it makes.